friends, welcome back. Good morning. Hi. We are on the way of Goa. আমরা গোয়া যাচ্ছি এখন। আর আমাদের সাথে এরকম কিছু ঘটনা ঘটলো আর মাঝখানে আমরা 1 ঘন্টা সময় পেলাম একটা স্টেশনে। So something happened with us, very interesting and we are also surprised.
In the morning we were in the train and we discovered that our coach left alone in Guntakal station.
Yeah.
And no engines there. And we were waiting.
So we are going from Hyderabad, Kachiguda station to Goa, Vasco da Gama, I think. And this is the Guntakal station. So we started at night at 9 p.m. yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, so yesterday night 9 p.m. we started from Kachiguda, and now
it's the 8:30 morning.
8:30 in the morning. And in the morning we wake up in our seats and we found our train is stopped for 2 hours. So I was surprised why it is not moving. So we came out and we searched
Looking
out.
out for engines.
Yeah. So
I can see one engine coming.
some engine is coming. Okay, it may be our engine. So this is happened with us that from Kachiguda, from Hyderabad, we were going to Goa, and in between in Guntakal station, that train left us. That train went to Goa, went to where? Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay, that train went to Bangalore, and these 3 coaches are standing here only. So from Hyderabad, from Howrah, Howrah,
From Howrah, one mail that is 18047. If I am not wrong. Yeah. It will come from Howrah and
speak little loudly.
come here. হাওড়া থেকে আসছে ওটা আর গুন্টাকালে এসে ওইটা 3টা বুকিং নিয়ে ভাস্কো ডা গামা যাবে।
So from Howrah, that train is coming, and that train will join us, or we will join to that train, and we will go to Vasco da Gama.
One of our गुंटकल स्टेशन ट्रेन वर्कर। आपका नाम क्या है?
Khaza
अच्छा, ये ट्रेन कितना लेट है? 4 घंटा लेट है। ओके, और वो हावड़ा से आ रहा है?
और थोड़ा इधर आओ।
हाँ, हावड़ा से आ रहा है।
और से
ओके ओके।
ऐसा रोज ही लेट होता है ये ट्रेन?
कभी कभी होता,
कभी कभी लेट
अभी उधर डबल लाइन का वर्क चलता है,
ओके ओके
वो प्रॉब्लम से लेट आता है।
ये हमारे फ्रेंड्स देख रहे हैं, ये हमारा यूट्यूब का ब्लॉग है, दादर आई स्कूल।
तो आप इंटरनेट पे हैं?
हाँ, आप ऑनलाइन हैं, आपको वर्ल्ड आपको देख रहा है।
पूरी दुनिया में आप
ये जाएंगे। हाँ, ये हर बार लेट होता है ट्रेन।
हर बार नहीं बोलता है ना, फिर वर्क चलता है,
अच्छा
डबल लाइन का वर्क चलता है, उसी वजह से लेट आता है,
ओके
वो प्रॉब्लम।
ये कर्नाटका में है या
आंध्र प्रदेश,
इसके बाद कर्नाटका से?
इसके बाद 40 मिनट्स के बाद कर्नाटक।
So after 40 minutes from Guntakal station, after 40 minutes Karnataka will be started, and our train is delayed for 4 hours. So अभी कितना देर हो गया?
ये तो अभी 3 घंटा हो गया, वो गाड़ी तो 4 घंटा लेता है।
That train is 4 hours late. So we have to wait for 4 hours. We don't have any other option.
हाफ एन आवर।
Okay. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Khaza Moinuddin. Yes. So Khaza Moinuddin Saab is one of the employee of
वर्ल्ड वर्कर। कितना दिन हो गया आपका काम करते हुए? 20 years working. He has been working for 20 years in railway.
What more we can discuss as of now?
So we can say this type of conversation. Whenever you are free, you can improve your skill. This type of using this type of conversation. That why train is late. Try to find the reason. Talk to someone others.
Talk to people as much as possible.
Yeah.
So talk to unknown people. Nobody is there who will not talk to you. If you are approaching somebody, if you are willing to talk with someone, he or she will definitely respond, and you can start a conversation. Just you have to have that courage to ask someone what is his name or her name, and what he does, and that's it. কি করে, কোথায় থাকে, ওর নাম কি, কতদিন ধরে কাজ করছে, এরকম বলে you can start the conversation. And as we were sitting, as we were waiting in this station, we could have sit idly, we could have used our phones to see YouTube or Facebook or something else, but what we thought, how we can make this 1 hour productive, because we have only 1 hour, because we were inside the train. We didn't know that it will stop for 4 hours, and we didn't know that this type of situation will happen. Otherwise, we could have start morning walks since 7 a.m. So this is the tips or what you can say. You can get an idea how to start a conversation, how to start a conversation, and how you can practice more and more to improve your spoken English skills. Okay, so as in the last vlog we said that we are from Bengali medium, Tripura theke amra belong kori government school Bengali medium students, but you can see we are now kind of able to communicate with people in English, and we are able to communicate with each other in English.
We can see one train.
Yeah. So this is not our train, this is another train came in the station.
Kanyakumari Express. You can see the rush, Indian railway rush. Huge rush every time in south, in north, in east, in west, everywhere. Indian railway means huge rush.
So guys, that's it. আমরা এখন এখানে 2000 বছর ধরে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি. We are standing here for 2000 years, and we don't know for how many thousands of years we have to stand here, and how when our train will come from Hubli, Howrah, and that train will connect to our bogies, and that train will take us to Goa, and we are eagerly waiting to reach out to Goa and go to the beaches, and we will see the beach, and we will also let you see, we will shoot, we will record everything in Goa, and we will definitely show you how things are going on.
But as of now, we are going to have breakfast. Fresh vada, idli, dosa is selling around everywhere. So now we will go and have a breakfast, fresh South Indian breakfast, special unique breakfast.
So there are few menus in South India which you will get, and that is the only option to have breakfast. That is, one is idli, second is vada, third is dosa, and fourth is Mysore bhaji.
Mysore bhaji is my favorite.
So yeah, so we will go to our coaches now because it is already 8:35. কথা বলতে বলতে একটু সময় হয়ে গেল.
Our friends are waiting.
Yeah,
So we have to go. They are waiting for us.
Yeah, so we think our train will come within next half an hour.
Yeah.
So by the time we will take our breakfast from here, because we will get fresh breakfast here in the station. Garma garam breakfast mil raha hai.
I can feel the smell of fresh idli and vada. It's very ethnic, very unique. You can't smell this type of smell in North India. Idli nowadays, idli is a global product.
So what you had last night in the train?
I had lots of things. Machli bhaja, mach bhaja,
Fish fry. Okay.
and I had Hyderabadi biryani. Obviously, when we planned to come in Hyderabad, we mindset in our planned mindset in our mind that
moment. Finish the announcement. Okay, so we were talking about last time what we had in the train. So while coming to the train from our home, we took Hyderabadi biryani, and you should not miss Hyderabadi biryani if you are coming to Hyderabad, because this is the world famous biryani. Okay, so we took one full bag of one. That was not a
biryani.
family pack. That was a full pack, but that was sufficient for all of us.
I have to clear this matter, clear this main issue. In Hyderabad, one family pack for Bengalis, it means 3 to 4 people you can easily have that biryani. But in South India local people, they can have this whole biryani in a single person.
So we had fish fry, we had biryani, salad, and in the morning we wake up very fresh because the quality of the biryani was too good. It was Papaji Ka Dhaba, the biryani. Okay, so we will reach at Goa in Vasco da Gama or Madgaon?
Vasco da Gama is the last station.
Okay.
In Goa, Vasco da Gama is the last station railway track, and we will come. Our station is Madgaon.
Okay, so before one station of Vasco da Gama, right? Means last but one station is our station where we will get down from the train, and that is Madgaon. So after Madgaon, we will go to our destination, our resort. So from here, the train will take another 6 to 7 hours. Means we were about to reach at 2, but now we don't know when we will reach. It might be evening, 5 or 6 we will reach, because as you can see, the train is late. So guys, that's it for today. If we get time in the evening, we will make another video. We will show you the Goa beaches if it is possible. Otherwise, tomorrow morning we are going to definitely shoot and we will let you see the Goa beaches. So for them, chill out and start practicing English like us, how we are doing.
Day-to-day
And-
conversation.
Yeah, day-to-day conversation, whichever topic, wherever you are, just start conversation in English. Okay, don't hesitate about grammar, don't hesitate about people. Okay, as you can see, a lot of people are standing around and people are coming and standing here also, but we are not getting shy. Okay, so like this, you can start your conversation and definitely within 2019 ending, you will be able to speak in English fluently, flawlessly. So that's our all the best for you, and we are closing this vlog right here. Bye bye, take care, see you again.